This setting is meant just for today. So quickly type it in the chat box from which school and city you all are joining us. Quickly type it in the chat box from which school and city you all are joining us. So Ishika is joining us from CS Academy Coimbatore. Nice, good to know that. And what about others, Sadhika and Swastika? Let me paste few chat links. Meanwhile, when we are coordinating with each other. So as you can see, I've pasted few chat links. First link is of syllabus link. You can avail your syllabus by clicking on this particular link. If you have not enrolled for this course, you can click on this payment link and we'll see you in the classes. So in case you want to share a feedback with us, you can fill up this form and we'll receive your feedback. You want to know more about this batch, you can click on this link and you will get to know more in detail. In case you want to communicate with us and you have any further queries related to your course, you can just email us at support@olympiadskills.com or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. All right, Swastika is joining us from Melbourne. Nice, good to know that. So let me quickly make you introduce with your mentor. He's a wonderful mentor. Kids love his classes because he give a complete detailed knowledge to each and every child. So I'll not talk much about him because he's a wonderful mentor. So all over to Tarique Sir. Please provide a brief introduction about you to kids.
Thank you, Pooja. So, hi guys. First of all, before coming to my own description, I would like to ask all of you to turn on the camera, please. Sadhika, Ishika, Swastika. It would be better if I will also see you all, right? It's a live class and we should see each other properly. Then we can understand the things better. Still, Sadhika, not getting your picture. Ishika. Good. Good, Ishika. Yeah, Swastika, that's good. Okay, so myself, Tariq Ahmed, and I have been in teaching profession since 2002. So this is my 23rd year of teaching, and I normally start taking the classes from class 8 and take it up to graduation level. Right now at Olympiad Success, I have been taking classes of 8, 9, 10th and 11th and 12th also. So these classes I have been taking. So I think my experience is more than your age. Am I right? You would be just 13 or 14. Yeah, so I have been in teaching profession for 23 years now. See, what is our goal and how we start the classes? In fact, we always start from the basics, right? We cover the questions of NCERT book first because that is the basic one. And then slowly we enhance the difficulty level and take it up to level 1 Olympiad and level 2 Olympiad. All these are covered in the 60 classes, right? So before joining the class, you have to commit one thing regarding the class because our content is a bit difficult as well. When what I have felt during the classes, when I explain the basic things like NCERT questions, CBSE NCERT questions, so the students enjoy their, I find the energy level good, they respond. But as I started explaining the difficult questions, so there I feel a complete silence, right? So it's my suggestion to all of you, if you all are really interested to excel at national or international level, for that, this is a good platform for you. But by just taking the classes, you can't achieve your goal. For that, you have to work hard, right? So you must practice at least 1.5 hours a day on our content. And if you are doing that, then one thing is guaranteed: whatever you are dreaming to achieve this year, you will achieve. Our content is uh, is nice and it is up to mark. Fine. So in fact, it is a brief. So I think I have taken much time, and in some minute I will explain the content also. There I will speak to all of you again. Okay, over to you, Pooja ma'am. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Let me share my screen with you all. Hope my screen is visible to everybody. So I welcome everybody at the platform of Olympiad Success. It is a professional platform which provides programs, School Plus program, includes subject mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths and coding. We do offer one-on-one preparation classes for different boards and for different grades, and we do offer different preparation classes for international Olympiads also. So that is SS, MO, SCM, HKM, and so on. So you can meet our rank holders on the screen. So they are kids like you only. So for this, what you have to do, as your mentor has already mentioned, you have to just work hard for the same. So spare your 2 hours every day extra from your regular studies to contribute towards your Olympiad preparations. So we are going to provide you group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom platform by a seasoned tutors. So session will be 3 days per week. Days will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and timing will be 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. 5 minutes of break. The session includes mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and so on. So you'll be going to get your reading material and everything. Soon I'm going to give you a dashboard tour for the same. So these all are the relevant links. No need to worry. These links have been pasted in the chat box and will again be pasted in the chat box. So fees for this course will be 13,356 rupees. So it will be 60 session course. Payment can be made by clicking on this particular link. So what all you need for these classes? Just a laptop or desktop with good internet connection, a good camera for better picture clarity, good headphones for better audio clarity. So live class are going to start from coming Wednesday, that is 17th of July. Let me take you through dashboard. So you have to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com. You'll get this page on your screen. After this, make sure that you enter your correct user details. Otherwise, you will not be able to log in. After signing in, you will get your personal details on your screen, where you make sure that you check each and every detail carefully. In case you find any error, you can just rectify it over here and you can click on update button. After this, you have to just click on live classes. Select your subject and your topic for which specific subject you want to see your stuff. So here you can see a schedule. This is will give you in clarity that in which session you're going to cover which specific topic. So you can see each and every chapter is bifurcated properly in different set of topics, and test discussion is there after completion of every chapter. So you can see everything is systematic and it's provided to you. So each and every PDF is downloadable. For that, you have to just click it here on the top. So you can see at the end of the classes, there are super classes also for your doubt sessions and more practice. So here is already calendar that you can plan your days accordingly beforehand. So there is a reading material that this will provide you depth knowledge. Right. So here are the question papers and answer keys for more practice. So here is a question paper. I recommend you to just solve your paper, then check your answer keys. In this, you will get to know that how much have you practiced and how much you are aware of that. You, in case your answers are wrong, you can just practice more specific topic. Okay. So here are the answer keys. So here are the worksheets for more practice. So again, you have to select your specific subject. And topic. Read instructions carefully, then click on start worksheet. So let's say I've done my question 1, I have to move on question 2. For that, you have to click on next button. Once you are done with all your question, you have to submit your worksheet. Before that, in case, let's say I have doubt in second question, I want to review that question again. For that, I can click on selector mark for review. So once I'm done with all my questions, I can review this question before submitting my worksheet. So yes, I'm clear with the doubt. My answer is correct. So moving ahead on next, submit your worksheet and you can check your performance also, that how you have performed in the worksheet. So for that, you have to click on performance button. Again, you have to select your subject. And you can see I've attempted this worksheet just now. Click on view button. And you can see I've attempted two questions. One is correct, one is wrong. You can review your answers over here. Okay. So that's all about dashboard. If anybody is having any doubt, feel free to drop your questions in the chat box. We'll be going to answer each and every query. Otherwise, we can continue with the demo. Anybody is having any doubt? Or all good to go for the demo? Show me thumbs up on the screen if you're good to go for the demo. As I already mentioned, you all will be on mute. You have to communicate via chat box. Ishika is typing something. Okay. So what are your class days and class timings? Quickly type it in the chat box, then we'll continue with the demo.
No problem.
Arya, let's quickly mention in the chat box. What are your class days and timings? Oh, no. And that's not 8:30 to 4:45. Okay, so your class days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and timing will be 6:30 till 7:45. Okay, hope I'm clear to everybody. I think we are meeting globally, so that's why there's a different time variation. So no problem. You can just check your batch course over there and these links. So, and that will give you a better clarity. Okay. So I think we can move ahead with the demo. All over to you, Tarique Sir.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. So guys, today I'm going to explain you about polynomials. Polynomials. Okay. So anybody among you have idea what is the meaning of polynomial? If yes, you can type. Anybody has idea about the meaning of the name polynomial? What it means? No? Ishika, Swastika, do you have idea about the word polynomial? What it means? Okay, Pooja ma'am. See, polynomial is made of two words. Polynomial. The word poly means many and nomial means terms. Many terms, right? An expression which contains many terms means more than one term. That is called polynomial. See, like 2x plus 3. This is the example of a polynomial. X square plus 2x plus 1. This is also an example of polynomial. 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 7. This is also a polynomial. Suppose x to the power 4 minus 2x cube minus 3x square minus 7x minus 9. All these, even x, all these are the examples of polynomial. Polynomials means many terms. So in fact, it has 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms, right? 5 terms. So all are the examples of polynomial. This is also, this one is called, in fact, monomial. Monomial. When there is one term, that is known as monomial. If 2 terms are there, the exact name for that polynomial is binomial. Binomial. 3 terms, right? Then trinomial, right? Then biquadratic nomial. In this way, we can pronounce. So polynomial means many terms, an expression which contains more than one term or more than 2 terms. That is called polynomial. Fine? Okay. Now here, one thing is degree. Degree. Anybody has idea what is degree? Degree of a polynomial? Any idea? You can say no if you have no idea. Or if you have idea, you can write down in the chat box. Swastika saying no. Sadhika? No. Okay. See, degree. It is highest power of variable in the polynomial. That is called degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the variable. I think you have idea what are variables. Do you have idea about variables? Correct. And constant also, right? So here x is the variable. Variable. The numbers which keeps on changing, whose values keeps on changing. That is called variable. So x, I have written expression in terms of x, right? If degree is 1, here the highest power of variable x is 1. So that is called degree. So degree of this polynomial is 1. Now tell me, what is the degree of this second polynomial, this one? What is the highest power of the variable in this expression? Yes, 2, correct? So it has degree 2. It has the highest power of the variable 3. So it has degree 3, right? And what is the degree of this expression or polynomial? The highest power, that is first, the degree of this polynomial, 4, correct. Now see, when degree is 1, degree 1, right? That is known as linear polynomial. X plus 1, it has degree 1. 2x minus 5, it has degree 1. 5x minus 7, here the power of variable is 1. So all had degree 1. So these are known as linear expression or linear polynomial. So the word linear is used when degree of the polynomial is 1. Getting? If degree is 1 means it has power 1, then we use linear. Now, if degree is 2, degree of the polynomial is 2, like here, then that is known as quadratic expression or quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. So degree 2 means quadratic. Degree 3, right? Degree 3. Then it is called cubic. Degree 3 stands for cubic polynomial. And if degree is 4, then that is known as biquadratic polynomial. And we have to learn all these polynomials till class 12. We have to learn all these polynomials by 12, right? Means something in class 9, then 10th, then 11th, and then 12th, and so on. Fine? Okay. Now see, I'm taking a question of the polynomial. Suppose question says, if x plus 1 by x equals to 3, then find x square plus 1 by x square, x square minus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube, x cube minus 1 by x cube, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4. See, here the value of x plus 1 by x is given 3. And we have to find out these values. What are the values of these numbers? Now see, x plus 1 by x equals to 3. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Right? So it would be x plus 1 by x whole square, and that is 3 square. Fine? There is one identity which is a plus b whole square. Do you have an idea about the identity a plus b whole square? It is equal to a square plus b squared plus 2ab. This is the identity of a plus b whole square. So using this one, here we can write x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x, and this is equal to 9. These two cancelled. So x square plus 1 by x square is 9 minus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square is 7. We get the value of first one, x square plus 1 by x square. And it is 7 in fact. Fine? Okay. Now see, we have to find this value. The second one, x square minus 1 by x square. And it has the formula, the identity a square minus b square. Its formula is a plus b into a minus b. Right? So here I am going to use this identity. X square minus 1 by square can be written as x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. Now, we have the value of x plus 1 by x, and it is 3. But we don't have the value of x minus 1 by x. So how can we find the value of x minus 1 by x? See, we have another identity, a minus b equals to, we can write a plus b whole square minus 4ab. And if we remove a square from here, we have to put a square root here. So using this formula, we can find the value of x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x equals to, we can write x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4x into 1 by x. This is cancelled. X plus 1 by x is 3. So this is 3 square minus 4, 9 minus 4, which is root 5. So the value of x minus 1 by x, this we are getting root 5. Here, now we can put that value 3 into root 5, and we will get the value 3 root 5. And that is the answer of x square minus 1 by x square. X square minus 1 by x square equal to 3 root 5. Fine? Okay. Now we have to find this one, x cube plus 1 by x cube. For that, we need to use another identity, and that is a cube plus b cube identity. This is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. And similarly, a cube minus b cube has the identity a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. These two are the identities, right? So for the third one, going to use this one, x cube plus 1 by x cube. This we can write x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 x into 1 by x into a plus b x plus 1 by x. This cancelled. In the question, the value of x plus 1 by x is given, that is 3. Going to put it here. 3 cube minus 3. Again, its value is here 3. We can write here 3. 27 minus 9, which is 18. So x cube plus 1 by x cube, and this is equal to 18. Getting? Now see how I would know that whether you are able to understand this or not. You should turn on the camera. Swastika, Sadika, Ishika. How would I come to know whether you have any problem? See, do you have idea about all this formula which I just saw? A cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. Do you guys know this? Ishika? Swastika has no idea. Ishika? Okay. So these are new. Ishika, you are taking the class from which city? Coimbatore. So your board is CBSE? Okay. And Swastika, you are taking the class from which place? See, unmute yourself. Ishika and Swastika, both of you should unmute yourself. I gave permission. You can unmute yourself. Okay. Yeah, I gave the permission.
Hi, sir.
Hi. So, do you have idea about these formulas, Ishika? Which
Sir,
I just showed?
a plus b whole square, I do have an idea, sir, but then,
Okay, but not about cube.
yes,
Right.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. In fact, it is in the syllabus of class 9, right? So this year you have to learn this. So
Yes, sir.
right now you may be looking at this for the first time, but with after some time it would be familiar to you. And what about you, Swastika? From which place you are taking the class? Okay, I'm giving you permission. Okay. Unmute yourself. Go to mute button, unmute yourself. Do it. Yeah. Okay. So from which place you are taking the class, Swastika?
Melbourne.
Sorry, not getting your voice clearly.
Melbourne.
Okay, you are taking the class from Melbourne. And which board you have? You are following IB or Australia board?
Australia.
Sorry?
Australia.
Okay, Australian board. Okay, so it may be a little bit difficult for you, right? You have not seen these type of questions earlier, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. See, so these two are the identities which we have to learn this year in class 9th, which I have written here. And to find the answer of this one, AQ plus BQ, we have to follow this one. Now, for the fourth one, we can follow this identity, right? I'm showing you that. Let me write. This is 18, in fact. And this is 3 root 5, in fact. And the first one was 7. Okay. You are free to speak. I have given permission. See, the fourth one. A cube minus B cube. So this would be the identity. X minus 1 by X whole cube. Then plus 3 into X into 1 by X. And then X minus 1 by X. So its value. Earlier, I had found the value of this, X minus 1 by X. Do you remember what was that? That was root 5. So going to put that value here. Root 5 whole cube. This cancel 3 and here root 5. Okay. What is the value of root 5 whole cube? Who is going to tell me? The value of root 5 cube. See, root 5 cube means root 5 multiplied 3 times. Root 5 into root 5 into root 5. Right? This is the meaning of root 5 whole cube. Now, we should learn this. Root A into root A. And this is equal to A in general. Means root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. Root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So, root 5 into root 5, 5. And then into root 5, here the value will be 5 root 5. So its value is 5 root 5. And then here 3 root 5. And then adding both the numbers, it will become 8 root 5. 5x plus 3x, 8x, which is 8 root 5. So this is the answer for the fourth one. This we got. Now see how we can find the fifth one. X4 plus 1 by X4. For this, we need to find the value of first one, X square plus 1 by X square. So if this is given to us, so first of all, we have to find out the value of this. And then after this, we can find the value of X4 plus 1 by X4. Since I have already the value of X square plus 1 by X square, which is equal to 7. Now squaring again. Both sides. So this is X square plus 1 by X square whole square. And this is 7 square. So it would be X4 plus 1 by X4 plus 2AB. 2X square, 1 by X square. And this is 49. And this is cancelled. So X4 plus 1 by X4 equals to 47. Now we have the value of this fifth one, which is 47. The value of fifth one is 47. And the value of fourth one was 8 root 5. Okay, now going to get this value. X4 minus 1 by X4. See, X4 minus 1 by X4, this we can write X square plus 1 by X square into x square minus 1 by x square. You know how? See, this we can write x square whole square and 1 by x square whole square. And then using this identity, a square minus b square, one time plus, another time minus. When we will add, we will get this. When we will subtract, we get this. Now, this is equal to this one, product of these two. We have already the value of x square plus 1 by x square, which is 7. We can put it here. We have already the value of second one, which is 3 root 5. We can put it here. And then we will get 21 root 5. And this is the answer. Okay, if I change of the value here, can you solve it right now? If I change the value here?
Sir, I'll try.
Okay, so I am putting here 5. Now, first of all, find the first one, the value of this one. Let me see whether you have understand it properly or not. Rachit, it would be better if you turn on the camera. You can interact with me as well. From which place you are taking the class, Rachit, right now? Rachit, are you there? See, you have to start with the question itself. Given x plus 1 by x equals to 5. Now squaring both sides. X plus 1 by x whole square, and this is equal to 5 square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the identity for this one. Here it is 25. X cancelled. So we get x square plus 1 by x square as 25 minus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square as 23. We get the answer for the first one. Okay, I'm changing again this value to 7. Find the first one.
Sir, is
Yes,
it 47?
Yeah, correct. 47. It is 7 here. So 7 square. It is 49. And 49 minus 2, we get 47. Now, to find this one, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. We have to find x square plus 1 by x square first. And then doing the same, we will get the fifth one. Squaring again. Squaring again. So x square plus 1 by x square whole square. This is 47 square. So we can write x4 plus 1 by x4 plus 2x square into 1 by x square. And what is 47 square? 47 square. 49, 28, 28, 56, 60, 60, 20. 2209. 49, 28, 28, 56, and 4. 60, 22. 2209. So x4 plus 1 by x4 is equal to 2207. So squaring again, we can get the value of x4 plus 1 by x4. First of all, from this we can find 1, and using this we can find the fifth one. Now this is clear. Now
Yes,
see,
sir.
for the second one, we have to use the identity, this one, x square minus 1 by x square. This can be written as x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. One time plus, another time minus. We have already the value of x plus 1 by x. We can put this here, but we don't have the value of x minus 1 by x. So first of all, we should try to find out its value. Now see, x minus 1 by x whole square can be written as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4. Minus 4. AB x 1 by x, that will cancel. And if we remove a square from here, a square root will come here. So its value is 7 minus 4. 49 minus 4 is 45. And this is 3 root 5. So we have the value of x minus 1 by x now. And that is 3 root 5. And we can put this value here, 3 root 5. And finally, this is equal to 21 root 5. Okay. So I am putting 5 here. Now find the value of second one, x square minus 1 by x square. Do it.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
I don't understand how you do x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4.
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, in fact, earlier I had written of identity. A plus b whole square equals to a minus b whole square, right? Plus 4ab. And if we remove a square here, root will come here. So this is one formula. Another one, if we write a minus b whole square, it is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. And if we remove a square from here, root will come here. So I have used this one, right?
Yes, sir.
A minus b,
Yes,
minus b, right? This is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab.
4ab. Okay, sir.
And a square root.
Okay.
So here, x plus 1 by x is given 5. Now find the value of this one, second one. Getting? See, this is given 5. We have to find this value. Formula is here. We can find 5 square minus 4. 25 minus 4 is root 21. We can't get a square root of 21. It will remain 21, root 21. So 5 root 21. So the answer is 5 root 21. This is the value of x square minus 1 by x square. Yeah. Yes, Swastika? You want to ask something? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Swastika.
I don't
Yeah.
really understand anything.
Repeat, Swastika.
I can't really understand the equation and how you solve it.
Okay, this one. Okay, explaining
Yeah.
once again. See, this question is based on this identity written here. A square minus B square. Fine. And it has the formula written here. A plus B, A minus B. One time plus, another time minus. Correct? Fine.
Yeah.
So x square minus 1 by x square. This can be written as one time plus x plus 1 by x. Another time x minus 1 by x. Right?
Yeah.
Clear? Now we have the value of this given in the question, that is equal to 5. So this is 5. Fine. But this value we don't have. So we have to find out. Now for this, we can use this identity. This is the identity, a minus b, root under a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So here, x minus 1 by x can be written like this. Putting the value of this 5 square minus 4, we are getting root 21. So this is equal to root 21. Putting that value here, finally we are getting 5 root 21. Now fine?
Okay.
Okay. Now this one, the third one. See, for this third one, we can use this identity, a cube plus b cube. So using identity x cube plus 1 by x cube, we can write x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x, ab, and then x plus 1 by x. Now, putting the value 5 here, 5 whole cube minus 3 into 5, 5 whole cube, 125 minus 15, so 10. So its value is 10. For the fourth one, x cube minus 1 by x cube, we can use the identity. The next one, x minus 1 x whole cube, 3ab, x minus 1 by x. This is cancelled. Its value. What was its value? Do you remember? 25 minus 4, 21, root 21, right? So this was root 21 whole cube. 3 into root 21. Root 21 multiplied 3 times, we will get 21 root 21. Here 3 root 21. Adding these two, we will get 24 root 21.
Sir, for the before one, isn't it 110?
Yeah, 110. Yes. Correct. See, I just any one from these is asked in the Olympiad paper. Not all the options. Maybe given this, and in the question it will ask to find this or this or this. So this is one of the important questions for Olympiad point of view. Always one question is asked based on this concept. Always 1 mark is there. That's why I choose to explain this one in today's class. See, many things we have to learn, but yes, we have to learn some difficult things, right? So, and for that, you must have to pay at least 90 minutes per day on the practice of the content. Our content covers all the questions from basic level up to level 2, right? And you have the classes alternate days, right? So there are 48 hours between 2 consecutive classes. So you must have a practice of 3 hours on our content before the next class, 1.5 hour a day. Then you will find that, okay, it is helping you. The classes is helping you. You will get the recorded videos also. Many students learn from the video later. But if you want to learn in the live class, then you have to at least practice for 90 minutes a day. If you are committed to do that, then you will definitely learn. One thing is guaranteed. If you are listening to us, what we are guiding to you, you are following that, then you can achieve the goal. But what happens most of the time, students do not listen our guidance. So in that case, it won't be very helpful to you. So you have to decide before taking the classes. Only one thing I want. If you are ready to practice 90 minutes a day, then you should join. But if you think it is difficult for you, then you have to think. And the really content are difficult. We have to cover all the questions from basic level to level 2 in the 60 classes. So what happens that suppose on one topic, I just give 4 or 5 classes. So most of the students enjoy the first class. But from the second class onward, when the content level become difficult, they start not enjoying. They do not enjoy the class. But the student who is putting effort 90 minutes a day has no problem. Okay, so enough for today. It's a demo class. I hope you all learn something even today in the class. And I wish to see all of you in the class. Bye. Take care.
Sir,
Yes, Swastika.
will the recording be sent to us? Will this demo class recording be sent to us?
Yeah. You will get the recording also for the class, right? Of the class. And I think you may have some link of the team. So they will guide you how to get. And if you message them, they will send you the video. Definitely.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye. Take care.
Sir,
Yes, Ishika.
could you send the links again in the chat?
Which link?
The syllabus link and all the other links.
It's already there, I think. No.
Can you resend it?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, got it? Everything is there, which you want?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Take care.